Good morning children. Today I am going to teach you social subject lesson 3 festivals. See children, festivals. Festivals. People believe in different religions. Yes or no children? Yes. People believe in different religions like different gods, right? Christians they will pray and worship Jesus Christ. Okay, and like Hindus, different gods they will pray. Like that Muslims, okay, they'll go mosque and they'll do pray. Like that, different religions are there in our country. They worship God in different ways and go to different places. Yes or no children? Yes, because Hindus they will go to temple and they'll pray. Yes or no? Yes, Muslims go to mosque and Christians go to church and Sikh go to Gurudwara. These are the different kind of people. See, Hindus, Muslims and Christians, Sikh, Jains. These are the different kind. They will believe different religions. Yes or no? Yes. In India is a country of celebrations. People of all religions celebrate special days. They will celebrate a particular special days. These special days are called festivals. These special days are called festivals. Different people, different religions, different gods. They will believe and they will pray. They will celebrate a special days. These days we are calling festivals. Yes or no children? In festivals we will get holiday and we will wear special new clothes we will wear and we will decorate our houses, okay, and we will eat a special kind of food, okay. So very fun and joy. Yes, the festivals or people like to wear new clothes and eat special food. They enjoy, okay, sweets and exchanging their gifts. Okay, they have a holiday to enjoy the festival. Yes or no children? These are the religious festival. Their families and friends will spend most of the time with their family and friends. They'll get together. Okay, and they will celebrate the festivals. See children, people of all religions celebrate special days. Okay, these see different religions, Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Sikh, Jain. There are so many kind of religions are there. They will go different kind of places like a temple, mosque, okay, Gurudwara, churches. Okay, they will go and they will pray to the God. Okay, and here few festivals are there children. Here there are two types of festivals. One is national festival. What is children? What festival we will celebrate? National festival. And one more is religious festival. Religious festival. Okay. See children. In national festivals, what are national festivals children? These are the two types of festivals children. The first one is national festival, the second one is religious festival. See first one, the national festival. National festival, we will, all people will do, okay, they will celebrate. First one is Republic Day. Republic Day. When it will come children, Republic Day, it is celebrated on 26th January. 26th January, every year we will celebrate this national festival, that is Republic Day. A grand parade held in Delhi, okay, grand parade. Okay, the President of India holds the national flag while the national anthem is played in the background. Okay children, the President of India. Who is the President of our India? PM. Whose children? Modi. Yes or no? Modi. The national flag, tricolor national flag. The President of India holds the tricolor national flag while the national anthem. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Is played in the background. We host the flag. Okay. And next festival is in national festival. Second one we will celebrate Independence Day. What, children? Independence Day. In every year, the Independence Day will come on August 15th. August 15th, we will celebrate Independence Day. All people will celebrate. Indian country. Okay. India got freedom on this day. Okay. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. Okay, children. We will get freedom from British. Yes or no? Yes, in earlier time we got a independence from British government. The Prime Minister PM Modi, he will host the Indian flag and in Red Fort. Where is in Red Fort, children? It is in New Delhi. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti, and also one more national festival we will celebrate every year, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti, it is celebrated on the 2nd of October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, the father of our nation. We also call Mahatma Gandhi is a father of our nation. He is a freedom fighter. Okay, children. Next. Yeah, next these are the 1, 2, 3. These are the national festivals. Republic Day. Every year we will celebrate on 26th January. Okay. Next, Independence Day. Every year we will celebrate on 15th August. And Gandhi Jayanti, every year we will celebrate on 2nd of October. Okay, children, you have to remember these national festivals. These are the 3 festivals we will celebrate every year. All Indian citizens. Okay. Next, these are the next religious festival. What are the religious festivals, children? First, Dasara. Dasara is a national, religious festival. See, children, Dasara is a Hindu festival. Okay, Hindus, they will celebrate Dasara festival. It begins with Ram Leela. Okay, and Ram Leela goes on for 10 days. 10 days. Okay, Ram Leela goes on for 10 days. On the Dasara day, effigies filled with crackers of Ravana, and Kumbhakarna and Meghanada are burnt in a big ground. Dasara marks victory of the good over the evil. Dasara means what, children? Marks victory of the good over the evil. Okay. Next, Diwali. Everyone know that Diwali. It is a festival of lights. We also call a festival of light. It is also Hindu's festival. Hindu festival. And Diwali is celebrated by the Hindus to mark return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. It is called the festival of lights. Diwali also called festival. Diwali is called festival of light. Houses and shops are decorated with candles. You know that diyas and candles, they will decorate their houses and shops decorated with candles, bulbs and earthen lamps. Okay. Children wear new clothes. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi. They will pray to Goddess Lakshmi. They will Goddess Lakshmi. They exchange sweets. Okay, that is a festival. They exchange sweets. Children burn crackers. Okay, we should not burn crackers on Diwali. We should not burn crackers on Diwali. They harm the environment. Okay, next, Holi. Holi also one more festival, children. That is Holi, one more festival. That the festival of colors and fun. We also call Holi the festival of colors. It is very fun. It marks the end of the spring season. It marks the end of the spring season. People play with colors and water balloons. Okay, water balloons. The people, children, they like very much. Children, people, they'll color and water balloons. They'll play with that. Okay, they sing song and dance. They also sing. They also dance. They also eat different dishes. Sweet, like a sweet they will eat. A special sweet called gujia is made on Holi. That is a special sweet they will made on that day. That is called gujia. Okay, next Guru Purab. One more religious festival is Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated by Sikh people. They will celebrate. It is celebrated as the birthday of the Sikh Guru. Okay, children, you have to remember Sikh Guru birthday. They will celebrate. Guru Purab is celebrated by the Sikhs, and it is celebrated as the birthday of the Sikh Guru. Gurudwara are beautifully decorated. Gurudwara, they will go Gurudwara. Okay, Gurudwara is a holy place. Okay, Gurudwara are beautifully decorated. Prayers are held in Gurudwara and langar is served. Okay, big procession pass through the city. They will go the road. There will big procession pass through the city. Next, Eid. Eid also religious festival. Eid is a festival of Muslims. Eid is a festival of Muslim. Gurudwara is a festival of Sikh. Okay, Sikh. Eid is a Muslims festival, children. And Dasara, Holi, Diwali is the Hindu festival. Okay, next Eid is a festival of Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting. Okay, whole month they'll fast. After that they will celebrate this festival Eid. On this day Muslims wear new clothes. They will wear new clothes. They go to the mosque to offer namaz. They'll go and pray in mosque. Okay, offer namaz. People greet one another saying Eid Mubarak. Okay, they will hug and they will greet others. They'll say Eid Mubarak. Seviyan, a sweet dish is prepared in Eid. Okay, Seviyan. In Eid they will prepare Seviyan. It is one kind of sweet. They will prepare that. Okay. Next, Christmas. Christmas. Who will celebrate Christmas? Christians will celebrate. Christmas is celebrated by the Christians. Okay, it is celebrated every year on 25th of December. 25th December they will celebrate. Christians will celebrate Christmas. Okay, the Lord, whose birthday is on 25th December, children? 25th December is a Lord Jesus Christ's birthday. Churches are, where they will go and pray? They will go and pray in church. Okay, churches are decorated beautifully. They will decorate very beautifully. People decorate their houses and sing carols. Okay, and Christmas is favorite with children. Okay, children, they like very much because they eagerly wait for gifts from Santa Claus. Okay, Santa Claus. Many other festivals are celebrated in our country like Pongal, Durga Puja, Bihu, Baisakhi. These are the festivals they celebrate in religious festivals. Okay, children? Children, now I will show you how to read the lesson. Take out your Sem 2 textbook. Page number 155, lesson 3, festivals. People believe in different religions. They worship God in different ways to go to different places. Some places of worship are shown below. Hindus go to temple, Muslims go to mosque, Christians go to church, Sikhs go to Gurudwara. Should respect all religions and place of worship. India is a country of celebrations. People of all religions celebrate special days. These special days are called festivals. It is a special time full of fun and joy. People like to wear new clothes and eat special food. They enjoy sweets and exchange gifts. They have a holiday to enjoy the festivals with their family and friends. There are two types of festivals, national festival and religious festival. National festivals, first Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. A grand parade is held in Delhi. The President of India holds the national flag while the national anthem is played in the background. Independence Day. It is celebrated on the 15th of August every year. India got freedom on this day. The Prime Minister of India holds the national flag at the Red Fort. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on the 2nd of October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Religious festival, Dasara. Dasara is a Hindu festival. It begins with Ram Leela. Ram Leela goes on for 10 days. On Dasara day, feasts filled with crackers of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnada are burnt in a big ground. Okay, Dasara marks victory of the good over the evil. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by the Hindus to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. It is called the Festival of Light. Houses and shops are decorated with candles, bulbs and earthen lamps. Children wear new clothes. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi. They change sweets. Children burn crackers. You should not burn crackers on Diwali. They harm environment. Holi is a festival of colors and fun. It marks the end of the spring season. People play with colors and water balloons. They sing, song and dance. They'll eat different dishes and sweets. A special sweet called gujia is made on Holi. Guru Purab is celebrated by the Sikhs. It is celebrated as the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. Gurudwara are beautifully decorated. Prayers are held in Gurudwara and langar is served. Big procession pass through the city. Eid is a festival of Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting. On this day, Muslims wear new clothes. They go to the mosques to offer namaz. People greet one another saying Eid Mubarak. Saviyan, a sweet dish is prepared in Eid. Christmas is celebrated by the Christians. It is celebrated every year on 25th of December as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated beautifully. People decorate their houses and sing carols. Christmas is favorite with children. They eagerly wait for gifts from Santa Claus. Many other festivals are celebrated in our country like Pongal, Durga Puja, Bihu, Baisakhi, etc. Okay children, open your exercises, page number 160. Dash Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. 15th of August, Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Dasara marks dash of the good over evil. Dasara marks victory, V-I-C-T-O-R-Y, victory of the good over evil. Holi is a festival of colors. Guru Purab is the dash of the Sikh Guru. Guru Purab is the birthday of birthday of Sikh Gurus. On Eid, Muslims go to the mosque to offer namaz. Write T for true, F for false statement. Guru Purab marks the end of the spring season. No, that is wrong, false. Christian go to your church to pray. That is true. Ram Leela is celebrated for 5 days. No, that is wrong. On Christians, people decorate their houses and sing carols. Yes, that is true. A special sweet called gujia is made on Eid. No, that is wrong. Match the following. Crackers, Diwali. Langar, Guru Purab. Santa Claus, Christmas. Gujia and Savian, Gujia, Holi. Savian, Eid. 26 January is a Republic Day. 15th August, Independence Day. Festival of Lights, Diwali. Jesus Christ, Christmas. Sikh Gurus, Guru Purab. Okay, children. Next, what is the holy book of Sikhs? Is a Guru Granth. Guru Granth, Granth. Guru Granth. Muslims, Quran. Christians, Bible. Okay, children, you have to first read the lesson and do the textbook exercises. Thank you, children.